Hello friends, I'm your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with Wellness Wednesday. Today I wanted to share with you a really wonderful tip on how to enhance how you might already be using diffusers. So many of you out there use diffusers in your office or in your bedroom, and there's a really great way to use up some of the oils that you might already have in your diffuser. I keep any oil that is quote-unquote empty over in a little, I have it in a coffee cup, you can put it in a bowl or anything like that. And what I do is I take the top off and I put water in here, shake up that water, and then I pour this into my diffuser. There is still oil sitting on the inside of these bottles that is not being used. So a great way to use them is in your diffuser. I have found I can do that about 3 times. Fill up, shake, and pour in my diffuser before the residue of the oil isn't in there anymore. It's a great way to save some money and also so that you can add more oils into your diffuser, remembering to use them throughout your day. I recommend oils that are uplifting. I have some mint and citrus ones that I use around my desk diffuser, and then some of the more florally or sedative ones I keep in my diffuser next to my bed. So it's a really wonderful way to use oils. Now a quick tip on how to clean these diffusers easily. So if you're mixing up oils like I am, saving the oils that are in the residue of these bottles, you're going to want to clean them sometimes so that all those scents don't get all mixed up. As well as it's good to clear them out so that the part that's pumping the steam out or that mist doesn't get clogged. My best way to do this is I take about, I want to say 3 tablespoons, somewhere around there, depending on the size of the diffuser. I do about 1 part white vinegar and then 4 parts filling up the rest of the diffuser with water. I put my diffuser outside. I maybe put an extension cord or get it outside some way. And then I put that diffuser on and let it do its thing. Doing it for at least an hour is the most beneficial. But I like to fill it up to what its max is and then let it go throughout that entire sequence. You don't necessarily have to do that. Then I come in and I wipe it with a wet rag. The vinegar helps to pull out any of those oils. If you're still smelling a vinegar residue, you might not have wiped it well enough with a rag. So making sure that you do that can help. These are some of my quick tips on how to really enhance your self-care at your bed and at your desk while saving some money with diffusers and what you think are empty essential oil bottles. I look forward to hearing any questions that you might have about empty oil bottles or diffusers or anything you want to share with new ahas about this tip. Be well.